let you tell a story about King James and the gunpowder plot. This was back in 1605. So, let me tell you what happened. The rule was everyone had to go to the Church of England. That was a rule. And do you know where I learned how King James was really a version in the Bible? Because I thought about it a moment when I was starting learning about how the gunpowder plot was trying to kill and bomb King James the First up. Bomb him up. Why would they bomb the king? So they made a cunning plan, and then someone made a message to King James the First, and then he said, I should get out of here before they bomb me up. And then he went out, and then they went to jail, which was called the Tower of London. You might have seen it as well, if you have been to London. So it was Kate Roberts' idea, and then Guy Fawkes said, I can blow him up, but King James escaped. So and then they ended up in the Tower of London, and that's why and we celebrate Bonfire Night today on November the 5th, and this is when the whole story happened. November the 5th, 1605.